circle of fifths. So I'm sure you went over this in piano and you probably did it in your first semester of sight singing, but it's worth reviewing. I teach it in a way that I think makes it pretty understandable and accessible. So instead of thinking it was a circle or a wheel or whatever, we're going to think of it as a clock. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to draw the circle of fifths. I want you to practice actually drawing this. Okay, so first you're making that circle. Now you're going to draw a cross through it. And now you've got it divided into quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each one of these quadrants, we're going to make 2 hash marks, evenly spaced as much as you can. Okay, that's going to give us where we're going to put the keys. Now, key of C, we're going to put up here at 12 o'clock. We're going to think of this as a clock, and I think that'll help you remember it best. C, no sharps, no flats, 12 o'clock. We're going to go clockwise, and I'm going to put the sharp keys here. First key that has a sharp in it is G. It has 1 sharp, and it goes at 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, D, 2 sharps. 3 o'clock, A, 3 sharps. E, 4 sharps at 4 o'clock. B, 5 sharps. F sharp, 6 sharps. And C sharp, 7 sharps. The flat side, we're going to think of this as a clock going counterclockwise. So both our clocks end at 7 o'clock. So this is going to be 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first key with a flat in it, F, 1 flat. 2, B flat. 3, E flat. 4 flats at 4 o'clock, A flat. Down here with the C sharp, D flat. G flat at 6 o'clock, and C flat at 7. We've got all the sharp keys this way, 7 sharp keys, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, C sharp, and 7 flat keys, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. You'll notice down here that these are occupying the same space. These are called enharmonic keys. It means they sound the same on the keyboard. If you think about the keyboard, this note is between C and D. Both these are. It's a D flat, or you can call it a C sharp. It's that black key between C and D. It's this key right here. We can call it C sharp, or we can call it D flat. They're spelled differently depending on the context. It's like a homonym. Where I'm from, the words T-O-O, T-W-O, and T-O all sound the same, but they all spell differently and mean something different. The next thing to talk about is the order of sharps and flats. Now I'm going to start with flats. Here's something you have to memorize.
B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Flat, 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 flat.
This is called the order of flats. When you look at a key signature, when you're looking at the staff, this is the order that the flats come in. Key of F, how many flats? 1 flat, B flat. Key of B flat has 2 flats in it, B and E flat. Key of E flat has 3 flats in it, B, E, A. Key of A flat, B, E, A, D. As you go through each key, you're going to add another flat. Key of C flat, which is all the way at 7 o'clock, has all 7 flats. The way that I was taught to remember this is the word bead, B-E-A-D, in like the 5th grade math term, greatest common factor. B-E-A-D, bead, greatest common factor. Okay, so that's your order of flats. The next thing to memorize is the order of sharps. Very simple. The reason I did the order of flats first is because the order of sharps is just the flats backwards.
F, C, G, D, A, E, B.
Now we're going to add sharps to these.
F, C, G, D, A, E, B.
The order of sharps. Memorize this, B-E-A-D, G-C-F, bead, greatest common factor, and then this is just that backwards. Instead of B-E-A-D, G-C-F, F-C-G-D, A-E-B. Key of G, 1 o'clock, right? So it's got to have 1 sharp in it. Let's take a look at that. 1 sharp, there it is, F sharp. Let's just pick another one that has a little more sharps in it. B has, where is it? It's at 5 o'clock, right? So let's go down 5 sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the key of B has an F sharp, a C sharp, a G sharp, a D sharp, and an A sharp. Simple as that. How does this apply to reading music? 2 flats, right? Which key is that? Okay, 1 o'clock, F. 2 o'clock, B flat. 2 flats, 2 flats. It's the key of B flat. Here's an example from a sharp key. We've got 4 sharps here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's go over to our circle of fifths. Let's go down, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. Key of E. You'll have this video, review it if things are not clear. Review it as many times as you need to.